Good morning, students. We will see some uses of convection. Convection is the process by which heat is transferred from hot part to the cold part without the actual movement of the molecules. Means there will be movement of the molecules when the heat is transferred by the convection process which take place in liquids and in gases. So one such example where you find convection process taking place is the occurrence of sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze is the breeze blowing from the sea towards the land which take place during the day, and land breeze is the breeze or air blowing from the land to the sea which take place during night. Let us try to understand this. Suppose this is source of water, river or sea, and this part we can take it as the land. This is sea and this is land. Now when it is during the daytime, where is the sun in the sky. Now the sun releases the heat energy which will be absorbed by the sea and the land, but it is found that during the daytime the land is heated first. So land gets heated up first, so the air molecules close to the land will also become hot and will start rising above. Let us suppose these are the hot air molecules which are rising above. Now to take the place of these hot air molecules of sea will start rushing towards the land. This is how you find the movement of air takes place from the sea to the land. This is called sea breeze, taking place during the daytime. Now come to the land breeze. Let us suppose it is a night time. This is night. Now during night time the land becomes cold fast, or it is getting cool faster than the sea, because during night time land will be releasing the heat energy absorbed by it during the daytime faster than the sea. As a result, the sea or the surroundings of the sea are still warmer than the surroundings of the land. So during night these air molecules close to the sea will also be hot or warm, and so it will also start rising up due to convection. So to take the place of these air molecules from the land will start moving towards the sea. As these air molecules move from the land towards the sea, that's why it is called land breeze, which takes place during night. This is very important and natural phenomena that takes place in the nature due to the process called convection. And we have another topic to discuss, which will be the last topic, which is another very important transfer of heat, which is called radiation. And this is considered to be the fastest transfer of heat, which does not require any medium. Like the example of the heat of sun reaches the earth, even though there is no medium in between, though to some extent there is atmosphere, but beyond that there is space and no medium is there, but still the heat of the sun can easily reach the earth. This is the method called radiation method, and it is the fastest process. So we will see something more in detail in the next class. Thank you.